Okay, what up, y'all? Your boy Choke No Joke. I'm about to show y'all how to make some barbecue turkey necks. But I'm make them like they like ribs, you know what I mean? They look like ribs, barbecue ribs. We're gonna call them barbecue turkey ribs. Barbecue turkey ribs. But they turkey necks, all right? Let's get into it. First you wanna do is clean off your turkey necks, and grab your seasonings. Make sure you grab some mustard and your favorite barbecue sauce along with your seasonings, all right? And what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna start this off by putting mustard all over here because the mustard is gonna hold the seasonings to the turkey necks, all right? Next, what you wanna do is you wanna rub your mustard in real good, rub that mustard in there, so that your spices will stick to the mustard, all right? That's what we're gonna do next. And after that, we're gonna lay down our seasoning. Once we lay down our seasoning, I'll be back, all right? Now, y'all can season y'all's however way y'all want to. Y'all see some of the seasonings I got. I kept my secret seasoning to the side so y'all couldn't see it. But, all right? So, this is what you're gonna do. Rub that mustard around your turkey necks. Or your turkey ribs, we gonna call them. All right? And we're gonna get busy. So as you can see, now you see that my turkey ribs, AKA the turkey necks, are all seasoned up. I even dab mine with a little olive oil on the top because turkey ain't like pork, chicken, or beef. It ain't real greasy. So I put a little olive oil in there across the top and then dip some in there. So when I go and check on it and slide it around, shake this around a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Because what I want to do is get some of that seasoning that's down there on the other side. Because I don't really like to season my stuff on both sides because it'd be overly seasonally, if that's a word. But I feel like if it needs more seasoning, I can add it after. I don't want to overdo it when I can always add it after. So, seasoned on the top. Got some seasoning in the pan with some oil in the pan. So when it slide around, the seasoning will hit the other side. So what we're going to do next is this. Preheat your oven to 350. We're going to put this in the oven. I'm going to cover this up with another aluminum foil. Being that I don't have a smoker, I'm doing it indoors. I want to make sure it's nice and tight up here. I'm going to close this up with another thing, aluminum foil over this. As you can see, I use a baking pan to hold it. And then I'm going to put this in real tight and let these ribs smoke for about 3 hours. So right now it's about 6. I'll hit y'all back about 9. And we're going to check on these, all right? 100. Chef Choke No Joke, man. Add it to the title. Add it to the title. So, this is what the turkey necks is looking like. After an hour and a half, this turkey, you ain't got to keep it in them that long. So, as you can see, I'm putting some more mustard on this side. I'm about to add my barbecue sauce on here. And that's what it is. All right, I'll be back. Look at them ribs, turkey ribs. Oh, so now that I just put the barbecue sauce on them. I'm gonna put them back in the oven for about 30 minutes. And it's time to munch. Let's get it. And voila. Turkey barbecue ribs. Well, really necks, but yeah, that's what it is. Choke No Joke, man. Final product, barbecue turkey ribs. You see that steam? Turn them necks into ribs, baby. Let's go.